Hello and welcome to yet another episode with me, Sujit Sukumaran, on 31 Days of Mudras. It's a pleasure once again to take you through this wonderful journey, exploring a mudra each day and figuring out about different concepts and how they can help us in our day to day life. Today's mudra is something which is very simple to do but an extremely powerful mudra, and the name of the mudra itself has power. The mudra is called Shakti Mudra. Now, Shakti in Sanskrit means power. It is a mudra which is used both in terms of therapeutic practice as well as it has spiritual significance as well. How it is done is basically these are your 10 fingers, like both the hands. You hold it out like this first, bend both the thumbs together inward, then wrap the index finger and the middle finger over both the thumbs, and then bring the hands to each other, connect the top portions of your index and middle finger, and keep the tips of the ring finger and the small finger together. So it will look like this from the side and like this from the front view. So once more, take it like this, wrap it like this, and bring it together this way. This is called the Shakti Mudra. Now, what the Shakti Mudra is useful for is, one, it's amazing in terms of helping you come to terms and recoup from any injuries of past trauma which are mental in nature. It helps you improve your relationships because you don't feel as sensitive or hurt by other people's interactions or how they treat you and all that. Your internal resilience increases. These are the mental benefits. On the physical benefit area, one of the most important benefit it helps you with is the lower part of the lung, the lower respiratory part of the lung. That part specifically, it helps to remedy any ailments which affect that part of the lung on the left and right side, to start with, number one. Number two, it helps alleviate and reduce pain which is brought about by intestinal or menstrual cramps. So ladies who are having like periods, irregular periods, and who have a lot of cramps in their abdomen or a lot of pain, either in the abdominal region or even as a result if they have splitting headaches, Shakti Mudra definitely helps. Even to an extent, anything to do with the sacral region, the lower back, as well as the menstrual area and your head. These three areas the Shakti Mudra can help. It is also a mudra which has therapeutic effect for anybody who is having post-operative pain, like you have delivered a child, you have had a surgery, or you have had some kind of accident and you have had some restorative work done on your hands or legs or anywhere, and if that healing is taking time and if it's paining, then Shakti Mudra is extremely helpful. The maximum you can do it is 12 minutes per day because it's extremely powerful. You don't need to do it more than that. You can do it in small bouts of 4 minutes each. So 3 sittings of 4 minutes each. The breathing tendency, the technique in this particular mudra has no restriction. You can either do normal breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, or you can do the Ujjayi breath or the warrior's breath as we have discussed in our previous videos. So to recap, the Shakti Mudra or the Power Mudra is an extremely powerful mudra, has various physical as well as mental benefits, and if you practice this daily, you will have nothing but the best of health, wealth and prosperity. Until I see you next time, this is Sujit Sukumaran signing off. Have a good day and bye-bye.